My name is Thomas Bøjstrup, and I'm an architect, and I'm currently a Ph.D. student in the Royal Danish Academy School of Architecture. I am conducting my Ph.D. studies within the Star Homes project, and my focus is on indoor environment and the physical durability of the houses. Today, I'm going to talk about household air pollution. I'm going to explain why it's a problem, who it's a problem for, and how we address the problem in the Star Homes project. Air pollution is closely connected with human activity, both as a nuisance and as a challenge to human health. And there are accounts of air pollution in the environment and initiatives to combat it going back to antiquity. In the 19th and 20th century, air pollution in the environment, what we today call ambient air pollution, became an issue connected with urban life. You might have heard of the smog incidents in London and later in Los Angeles. It was also in this period where air pollution really became discovered and defined as a public health problem. In this video, we are going to focus on a specific kind of air pollution, and that is what is generally referred to as household air pollution, often abbreviated HAP. So we're interested in the air pollution which is produced in and affects people in their homes. Now, there are a range of pollutants which can be found in the indoor environment and which poses a threat to human health. But our interest is in particulate matter, which is a pollutant that is typically produced when cooking. In this study, we're looking at the emissions from cooking, which in the rural African setting of our project is traditionally done over an open fire and often indoors in spaces that are not well ventilated. The particle pollution is mainly produced from the combustion of biomass, in other words, the smoke coming from fire. But particles are also emitted from the cooking itself, for example when frying. Throughout the world, fuel types such as wood, animal dung, and crop residues are widely used for cooking. In fact, the World Health Organization estimates that globally 2.4 billion people cook over open fires with either biomass or other polluting fuel types, such as coal or kerosene. The particles are defined by size, and in this connection, the relevant size is what we refer to as PM2.5, that is, particles which are less than 2.5 micrometers in diameter. We also call them fine particles, and because of their small size, because they are fine, they can be inhaled and they can enter the lungs where they can cause harm in a number of different ways. It is well documented that exposure to household air pollution can lead to several diseases, including stroke, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and lung cancer. Consequently, it is estimated that household air pollution was responsible for 3.2 million deaths in 2020. In our study, we are looking specifically at incidences of lower respiratory tract infections in the occupants. In other words, that is the health outcome we are studying in connection with household air pollution. As I mentioned before, the smoke coming from the fire is not the only source for particle pollution when cooking. And also, the level of pollution in the kitchen or cooking place is mediated by a number of factors, which makes it relevant to look beyond the fuel type itself when designing a strategy for reducing pollution levels.